Hello everybody, this is Jason. Today I would like to demo and install and demo Shortcut editor. Okay, that editor for video. Okay, so go into Shortcut and click to download. This software can edit the software the video. Okay, so go into here download. I already download. Okay, so just go download and save. Okay, I don't download anymore because I download several times today. Download shortcut. I agree. Okay, the install shortcut is very simple. Just click. That's it. Okay, complete. Okay, so close, and then go into here. I find the shortcut here, right? So more. Open file location. Send to desktop. Create shortcut. So I like to use shortcut here. Okay, double click. Execute the shortcut program. So this interface like this, and if you don't have this new project whatever, you just go into set view layout and restore default layout, then you can get this one. So first thing, I like to create a new project. My project will be, for me, you can create it by yourself, but I like to use a screen copy. Okay, select screen copy, and file name today is my test. Okay, so start it. Then I want to edit a file. The file I created, I recorded for several days ago. It's one extra part at the end. I want to delete the part. 我们现在 Okay, and the part is one extra part. So see, the time is 000640, right? And go here. So I just click to here, and then I expand the stream. Okay, make it smaller that I can go to the end to do something. So from the timeline click here around this location. Okay, that almost close time. 我冲上去了 almost close here. Okay, here after that, after this part, okay, I don't want it because that's extra part. I recorded too much. Okay, I want to cut this part. So how to cut this part? Okay, I want to cut this part from here. Click here, and then we can separate this part. Okay, then I just remove. Simple. Okay, I gotta press here and then see what happens. 又冲上去了。Okay, that's end of the part. Okay, already cut the piece off video. Okay, so now I want to export next step. How to export? Okay, we select YouTube. Okay, export from where? From timeline because we just modify the video, right? And configuration, because I have video card, I can use this selection and okay, and click here, and then I click at once. Just accept all the default. I think it should be fine. Okay, at once, and then want to export the file. Export. Where I want to go into export, screen copy. I think my test. Okay, MP4. That's fine. And screen copy directory. Okay, save. And look here. because you need to wait until end the 100%. If you quit the program, okay, and the export gonna fail, you won't be able to watch the video. Okay, so you have to wait. That's important. Okay, for now I just post the video right now. Okay, the export almost finished, almost done. Okay, 99%, 100%. Okay, done. Right on. So we're going to the screen copy my test. 我们现在 Okay, so I go to the end to check to see what happened. 又冲上去了。Yeah, I did cut the last part. Okay, the extra part I don't want it, so I just keep. Okay, I only keep the part I wanted. Okay, so this the demo. Okay, and then show you guys how to download and install and edit the video file. Okay, very simple demo. Okay, thank you for watching.